Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Rodeo Sloppy Joes. Alright, I'm starting out here in a large skillet, and I have roughly 1.5 pounds ground beef that I browned up and drained the excess grease off of. Now I'm going to add 1 green bell pepper and 1 onion that I diced in there, and I'm going to allow this to saute in there for a few minutes so they start to soften up. Right now they allowed this to saute for a few minutes and the vegetables are soft, and I'm going to add in some barbecue sauce. I'm going to add in about a cup of barbecue sauce. You can use any type of barbecue sauce you like. And I'm also going to add in a little bit of ketchup. I'm going to go for about 3 tablespoons of ketchup. And I'm going to add in a little bit of water, about a half a cup of water. I'm going to give this a stir, get that all mixed together. And I'm going to allow this to simmer for a few minutes until that water cooks down. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright, I'm starting with a nice toasted seeded bun. I'm going to put a slice of American cheese down. I'm going to put some of our Sloppy Joe mix on there. I'm going to put some bacon on here. Put 2 slices on there. And a couple of onion rings. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. I'm going to get a piece of paper towel because this is going to be a sloppy Joe. You can see how big it is. Has a good barbecue flavor. You get a nice texture from the bacon and the onion rings, which add a lot of flavor to it. Guys, that's really delicious and it was really easy. Alright, there you have it, Rodeo Sloppy Joes. Thanks for watching and supporting me. And remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.